Hey guys, it's Lynette here. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite styles, beach waves, using Family Hair Care treatment. My hair is a little damp, which is okay. You can apply the cream in dry, damp, or wet hair. When applying the cream, you don't need an excessive amount. Believe it or not, this cream has actually helped me detangle my hair. What I love about this cream is that it's an all-in-one treatment. It defines curls, helps damage repair, blowout cream, and a hair strengthener. Since I have highlights on my hair and I don't treat it correctly, my hair becomes a dry straw. This cream helps me reverse some of the chemical treatments. If you have natural curls, it helps you define them very, very well. Beach waves is definitely my go-to. If you want to know more information about Family Hair Care treatment, go to the website and join their Facebook community page.